In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a currency converter to your Wix website. Whether you're running an online store or simply want to make your site more globally accessible, having a currency converter is a handy feature. So let's dive into the process and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your Wix editor. Once you're on your site's editor page, direct your attention to the left sidebar and look for the button labeled Add Elements. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options available to you to enhance your site. Among these options, you'll find Store. Go ahead and click on Store, then search for the currency converter element from the choice of tools provided. Once you spot it, you can simply drag and drop it onto the page where you want it to be. Now that the currency converter is on your page, the next step is to customize it to fit your needs. Click on the converter, and you'll see a Settings option appear. Click on it. This will open up a settings menu where you can really get into the nuts and bolts of your currency options. Navigate to the Currencies tab, where you'll have the ability to select the different currencies you'd like to display for your visitors. Click plus Add Currency to choose from a selection. On Jump Sites option, tailoring it to your target audiences. Once you've selected the currencies that make the most sense for your user base, hit Save to confirm your choices. But it doesn't end there. To make sure that your currency converter looks great on your site and aligns with your brand, you'll want to customize its appearance. Switch over to the Design tab. Here, you can adjust various visual aspects to ensure that it integrates seamlessly with your site's layout and design. Now, maybe you're looking for a different approach or want more options. Let's explore another method using a handy tool from the Wix App Market. Start by visiting the Wix App Market, which is also accessible from the sidebar. Use the search bar to look for a currency switcher app. One popular choice is the Currency Switcher app by Market Push Apps. Once you find an app that suits your needs, go ahead and install it. Installing an app like this comes with its own set of step-by-step instructions specific to the app. So make sure to follow those prompts carefully to add and configure your desired currencies. One of the great advantages of using a specialized app is that they usually offer real-time updates and various ways to tweak the visual presentation to better match your site's overall look and feel, enhancing both functionality and design in a streamlined manner. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding a currency converter to your Wix website. With these tools at your disposal, you can cater to international users more effectively, making your site not only more professional, but also more user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.